This Sanuke wire rope crimping kit feels solid in the hand, with a high carbon steel body and treated jaws that deliver firm, reliable compressions without deforming the sleeves. The tool covers a generous range of wire rope sizes, handling everything from fine cables for fishing leaders to sturdier lines for railings and small rigging projects. Integrated cutting jaws make it easy to trim steel cable cleanly, and the long handles give plenty of leverage so you do not have to strain even on tougher wires. The included assortment of aluminum loop sleeves in the most common cable sizes means you can start building or repairing assemblies right away without hunting for extra hardware. In use, the crimper produces consistent, secure swages that hold up well on outdoor applications like fences, shade sails, and garden hanging fixtures. Overall, the kit offers a practical balance of strength, versatility, and convenience that suits both dedicated do-it-yourself users and occasional home projects.